Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine, basically how I settle down for the day as far as my skincare goes. So right now I'm just putting my hair up in this nasty ass bun and headbanding it up. First things first, I start with my facial cleanser. I usually go in with the ItWorks cleanser or the Purity facial cleanser. I love both of these. I kind of just rotate in between products. These are my top favorites right now. So I'm going to go and go ahead and use the Purity today. I really love this stuff for breaking down makeup. It gets it really good. Like it just, I don't know, it just melts off my face. As you can see, I look like the freaking Joker. So I'm just running some water with that, mixing that with some water and loosening up the makeup, getting that all off my face. Now that I pretty much have my face wet and the makeup all broken down and off my face, I'm going to go in with this RHEA facial brush by the company called Fancy. They actually sent this to me and another facial brush, and I have been loving it. This actually vibrates, and it really just exfoliates your skin. It removes all the dirt. It's a lot more hygienic than your typical facial brush. That's why I love it. It's waterproof. It's so compact and portable, and it's cute, and you can actually adjust the intensity of the vibration. So yeah, I'm just going over my face with that. I love how it feels. I probably go a little bit overboard with it, but after I do that, I just dry my skin off, dry my face off, pat it dry with a towel. So next I'm going to moisturize. This is just basically like a Walmart version of the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I think this stuff works just as good. So I just get this, and I'm going to take just a little bit of that and moisturize my whole entire face. I try to press upward on my skin and do it like that. Also, by the way, one other cleanser that I forgot to mention at the beginning is the Cetaphil. That is my top. I just ran out, so I've been using the Purity and the ItWorks one, but those are my top 3 right now. Another thing that I learned that is even if you have super oily skin like I do, definitely moisturize your skin. It's very important. Next, I'm going in with an eye cream. This one is specifically for dark circles. This is the Cerave. I'm probably saying all these wrong, but anyways, it's for dark circles. I noticed I was starting to get dark circles after I had a kid. So been trying to take care of that when I go through my nighttime routine for my skin. Next, I'm going to use this Banish oil. Now, I don't always use this at nighttime, but sometimes I do just to be extra, and that's what I'm doing tonight. So I'm just going to put a couple drops on my face and pat that into my skin. Going back to the topic of moisturizing, even if you have oily skin, if you try to dry out your skin, it's just going to produce more oil to moisturize your skin, so don't skip that. Next, I go in with a toner. This one is by ItWorks. This is the toner spray that they have. I love this stuff. You guys, I don't sell ItWorks or anything, but I have some friends that do, and they sent me this particular toner, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Next, this is actually a lip scrub. This is by Beauty For Real, and it's the Lip Revival, and it is amazing. I don't always exfoliate my lips, but I try to do it maybe a couple times a week. I just like how my lips feel after I use it, and I like to eat it off my lips. I probably do it a little bit more during this time of year when it's really cold outside. My lips get super dry. I just like to exfoliate and then make them real smooth. It helps also for your lipstick to look really nice, so keep that in mind, ladies. Next, I'm going to go in with this. It's basically just like a lip balm stuff by The Body Shop. I almost said The Body Scrub. And I'm just putting this on. You can basically put on chapstick or whatever when you're done. So that is it, you guys. Nothing too crazy or complicated. Like I said, some things I skip, some things I rotate, but I pretty much do the same thing. I just cleanse, moisturize, some eye cream, and toner. And that is it. Look at that bare face, girlfriend. Work. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know you guys were wanting to see my skincare routine. If you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much, everybody. I love you guys. Bye.